Friends, imagine building a real mobile app and publishing it to the App Store without learning Swift, without installing Xcode, and without spending months on tutorials. What used to take developers months of work can now happen in minutes. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're looking at Replit Mobile Apps. This platform lets you go from idea to working app to App Store in 3 clicks. You describe what you want in plain language. Replit builds it, and you can test it on your actual phone instantly. Guys, this isn't a prototype tool or a toy. We're talking about full-stack mobile applications with databases, authentication, and real functionality. Everything you need to ship a production-ready app, all handled behind the scenes. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Folks, before we dive in, let me quickly explain what makes Replit different. Replit is a full-stack cloud platform that uses what they call vibe coding. You describe what you want in natural language, and it builds real working applications. What sets Replit apart is something called connectors. These let you integrate third-party services into your app just by signing in. No API keys, no OAuth setup, no developer accounts. Want to add Dropbox to your app? Just log into Dropbox through Replit and start building. The platform currently supports dozens of integrations, and they keep adding more. Replit handles the entire mobile stack automatically. Front-end design, back-end logic, database setup, and even App Store submission. You focus on the idea, and Replit handles everything else. Now, mates, let's see how this actually works. We're now on the Replit dashboard, and right in the center there's an input field that serves as our starting point. The great thing is that we don't have to write a single line of code ourselves. We can simply describe what we want to build and let the AI handle the rest. There are a few different directions we can take from here. Guys, we could begin with the design and focus on the visual side first, or jump straight into building a full mobile app. Another option is to plan everything out step by step before generating the project. And we can even upload design files from Figma or other reference materials so the AI has something concrete to work with. I am going to choose the mobile app option because my goal is to create a complete, ready-to-use application. I'm typing in a detailed prompt for an app called Swap It, a platform where neighbors can exchange items with each other. In the prompt, I describe everything, from the registration screen and chat system to a map that shows available listings nearby. Mates, it's basically the exact vision I have in mind for a neighborhood exchange app. Once I hit start, the real magic begins. Replit immediately gets to work and starts building the app right in front of my eyes in real time. You can already see a phone preview appearing, and the app is being assembled right before our eyes. Notice that Replit is handling the entire mobile stack, including the design in warm green tones, just as we requested. Folks, you don't need to learn separate frameworks or install heavy development software. While the app is building, you can watch every iteration. And if you want to change something, maybe the button color or add a new category, you just write it in the chat and Replit instantly updates your code. And there we have it, folks, our app is built. Let's test it out now. When we first open it, there's a sign up button where we can register an account. I enter my details, click Create Account, and immediately I see the system has populated our mobile app with demo data. We can browse through products available on the platform. We can message sellers directly. We can check everything that's here, view the map showing what's nearby, and the map will be fully functional in production. Look at messages we've sent, manage our profile, and of course add our own items. Friends, I can write a description and publish my home plan. Our Swap It app is ready, and we can publish it on the domain that Replit provides. We make this publication, and it publishes our complete mobile app. Okay, now our app is successfully published. I can copy the link and view it directly through Expo Go now. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! And this is how we can transfer this app from the computer screen directly to your smartphone. This is called the moment of truth. You see a QR code, and to launch the app, you'll need Expo Go, a free tool that lets you instantly test mobile projects on real devices. Folks, just open your phone's camera, scan this code, and within seconds, You're interacting with your app as if it was already installed from the store. There, I've installed it on my phone. As you can see, the database works. The interface responds to touches. We didn't write a single line of code by hand. My app is fully functional on my mobile phone. I can upload any photos, describe products, and publish them. I write descriptions, upload posts, and everything works. And that's how we completed the full cycle from idea to a complete mobile app that was generated literally in 15 minutes using Replit. Now, mates, let's talk about publishing to the App Store. Replit makes this incredibly simple. You click Publish to App Store and follow 3 steps. Step 1 is Connect Expo. This is free and you sign in once, so Replit can handle the complex native build process for you. Step 2 is Connect Apple Developer. This costs $99 per year, and you sign in with your Apple ID to enable App Store publishing. Step 3 is Build and Submit. Replit handles everything automatically. Your app is delivered to TestFlight for testing. From TestFlight, you can submit your app to the public App Store. Guys, this entire process used to require specialized knowledge of iOS development, understanding build configurations, managing certificates, and provisioning profiles. Replit removes all of that complexity. You click 3 buttons and your app is on its way to the store. Alright folks, that's a wrap. Replit Mobile Apps is all about removing barriers. The traditional path to building and shipping a mobile app required months of learning, expensive tools, and deep technical knowledge. This platform collapses that timeline to minutes. Friends, what we just built would normally require knowing React Native or Swift, setting up development environments, configuring build systems, and understanding the entire App Store submission process. Instead, we described an idea and got a working app on a real phone. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.